The pegboards are hung. We have the 278 pegboard hook and assortment kit. We're going to open it up, show you what you get inside, hang it on the installed pegboard, and show you some tools on there. When first opening up your accessory kit, it's nicely packaged and bubble wrapped, and in plastic, all your hooks and hangers and assortments, and you have an accessory box and an instruction guide. All the parts and material that are in here, a basket, hanger, hooks, and more. We have small trays made of plastic, 1.5 inches by 2 inches or so, with plastic hooks. 4 of them that simply lock into place on the bottom on an angle. When placing the trays higher up onto the actual pegboard in the correct area, they will sit nearly flush. We'll hang a few more up to show you what they look like. With the corner screws, you're able to skip a slot and hang up correctly. On the top, we're going to hang the brackets like so, and they hang small items like screwdrivers, pliers, and more. And they go on top very easily, straight across. You could put other types of screwdrivers in and place that down lower, like so. Grab a screwdriver, lay it in. To lock and secure each individual area, you're going to place into the corresponding hole and take the locking mechanism and simply put it into the 2 holes to lock in. You want to make sure you put these clips in correctly. So what you're going to do is easily pull them out. And you can line them up like so, across, and snap into place. To give you a better demonstration on a hook that has a backing and a hook, we'll place it on, lock it into the hole, and then take the hook, slide it in, and lock it solidly into place. The long hangers and hooks, they do not get one. They fit into the spot, and they got the bar that holds on, and no way to put on. As we continue to hang different types of assortment hooks, you have single ones, V-type shapes that fit on as well, wide hooks, double bar hooks, short double bar hooks, and short single bar hooks. We have a package of little rubber end caps that go on each individual part like so. You grab an end cap, then you place it on every single little piece. I'll just give you a close-up look at the rubber caps, how they go on. Simply press down. There you go. There are endless possibilities in hooking up your pegboard. You're going to have clips that you can simply just put in store, so when you need, you can hook up like so. You're also given a real small kit for the small items that you could put on. You have bins, assorted hooks and arrangements for the pegboard. They come in different types of assortment kits that can be found online from INCLY. Choose the products you are after and build the pegboards you are after and the sizes. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are after in your hardware needs. Thank you for viewing.